right. Hey, heroes. Finally, our long awaited tutorial on how to build Google websites. Okay, I'm super excited because I like to build websites. First thing you need to do is go to Google and access your G Suite. Remember, that's up here with all your Google apps. Remember, G Suite, the fancy way to say Google apps. And once you access your G Suite, if you look at the bottom, you'll see something that says Google Sites, short for Google Websites. Click on it. Sorry, y'all. I'm eating fruit snacks. They're really good. Um, Once you get to this screen, you're going to click on New Google Sites. Okay. New Google Sites is down here. You're always going to use New Google Sites. So click on that. All right. So once you get there, this screen will pop up and yours should be blank unless you have like created a website or something. But yours should be blank. Mine has all of the websites I've worked on or that someone has shared with me, which we'll talk about a little bit later. But yours should be blank. So if you look down here to the right, you'll see a plus sign, and you know that that means to add or create a new website. Okay, so click on add. Okay, I'm sorry. Told y'all eating these fruits next. Once you get there, it'll take you here to our first Google site. Woo. Okay, and at the top it says your page title. Okay, well, we need to give it a name because it says your page title because we haven't given it a name. So click on it and click in the box. And I want you to actually do this. This will be a grade. I'll ask you to pull up this website and I'll expect everything that I'm doing on this tutorial to be on your website. And that lets me know that you watched my whole video. Okay, so type in your name, comma, practice website. Okay, and then click out of the box. There we go. We named it. Now, if you look up here, it's just like Google Docs or Google Slides. You know when you have to name a document? I want you to click in that box and type in practice website. Okay? And if you look right here, once you click out of that, right up there, practice website popped up. So it lets you know that you have named the website. So if yours says untitled site, that means that you didn't name your website. Okay? So now we've got to add some information because we pretty much got a blank slide. Okay? So let's look over here to the right. This is the Magic Maker. It's not called that. I don't know what it's really called. I'm just calling it the Magic Maker. This is how we'll insert information into our website. So right here, insert should be blue and bold and underlined. And in insert is text box, meaning you add text or words. You have Google Images, meaning you're going to add pictures to your website. You have embed, meaning you want to put documents or YouTube videos, things like that on your website. And from Drive. Now, from Drive means anything in your Google Drive, anything can be added to your website. So you can pull up your Google Drive, pull up any document and add it to the website using that icon. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is add some text because we don't even know, it's not named anything, no information. So click on text box. And once you click on text box, this will come up. This little section will come up and it says normal text, bold, italicized, alignment. Okay. Right now we're going to worry about the size of the text. I want you to click on that and click title. Okay. So let's name this practice website. And I want you to actually do that as well. And then click out of the box. And there it is. It's that simple. Now, super cool thing you can do. Up underneath practice website, just click. Just click on any portion up underneath practice website. Here's my mouse. I'm going to click. And when you click, you're going to see this circle. See that circle I got there? It's basically like a shortcut to this. So I can upload stuff, add stuff from Google Drive, embed videos, add images, or add text. Well, right now we're practicing adding text. So click on text, and there you go, another text box. That easy. I want you to type this sentence in. I am going to use this website to practice skills that I have learned from from the Chromebook tutorial, Okay, so type in that sentence, and it looks like I got something misspelled there. There we go. There we go. So that is really tiny, and it's hard to see. So we need to make it bigger. So if you look up here, it says normal text. Click on it. Instead of title, let's pick like subheading. Let me do it again. So instead of normal text, click subheading. There we go. It's a lot bigger. It's easier to see. So I just changed the size of the text. Okay. So now we've got a title. We've added some information. Make sure you do this too. And it still kind of looks kind of plain to me. So I think that we need to add like a theme or something. Make it look pretty. Make it look attractive. So look over here in your Magic Maker and click on themes. This is where I'm going to say, pick whatever theme that you want to use. Pick whatever color that you want to use. Okay. I'm going to pick Diplomat. There we go. Looks pretty nice. And kind of liking this purple. I'm going to click on the purple. And there we go. It's starting to look a lot better now. So once you have done that, we're going to add our first picture. I want you to click underneath this text box and bring up the Google shortcut again. Once you've done that, click on this images icon. Okay. And up here you have URL, search, your albums, and Google Drive. You want to use the internet to find these pictures. So click on search. And once you've done that, I want you to type in, let's type in books. Okay. Now, I want you to actually put in this picture as well. Pick whatever picture you would like to with books. I think I like this one with the red. Once you highlighted the picture that you want, click select. And there we go. It's already looking awesome, already looking good. Okay, so I want you to actually do this when you're done with my Chromebook tutorial. Now, we're going to practice adding another page because right now we've only got this one page. And we know that most websites have like tons of pages, tons of different things you can access on that one website. So we need to do that as well. So look over here in the Magic Maker and click Pages. Okay. Once you click Pages, you'll see only one page and it says Home. Well, this is the home page. We need to add one. If you look down at the bottom, click the plus sign, and it's going to ask you to name the new page. Let's name the new page More Information. Okay. More information. And then click Done. And voila, we've got a new page. Okay. So if you look up here, you've got home and you've got more information. Okay. So click on home. That's everything that we just did. Now click on more information. Pretty bland, pretty boring. I mean, we haven't added anything. So let's add a text box. So we can click on insert, or you can click on the white, either or. I'm going to click text box, select title. Okay. And let's put more information again. Okay. If I click out of the box, it is there. Now, remember we have a shortcut. If you click underneath more information, the shortcut will come up. Click text box. And I want you to actually type this information in as well. This is my practice website. I will add more information that I learn about Google Sites to this page, period. So I want you to actually type that sentence in. And remember, it's kind of tiny. So let's click and let's make it a little bigger. So instead of normal text, let's try subheading. There we go. Now it's a little bit bigger. It's a little bit more legible. Now, we are going to add a YouTube video to this website right now. Okay. So let me show you how you're going to do that. So if you click on, I want you to open up a new tab, go to youtube.com. So let's do that together. www.youtube.com. And here we are. Okay. I want you to go to the search box and type in ABC Phonics. Okay. And I want you to put this exact video on your website. Again, that lets me know that you watched my entire video. Okay. So let's click on the phonics song. All right. So I'm going to just pause this video. If you scroll down, right here is the share button. Okay. So click on share. And you might get something that looks like this. Okay. We want to get the link. Okay. So down here, click on the link. I'm going to copy that link and I'm going to return to our website. Okay. So now at this point, I'm going to click on embed. That means I want to put that video on this website. All right. So it's asking for the URL, basically that link that we just copied. So put the link there. And there's our video. And it even gives you a preview. So check out that preview to make sure you got the right video, okay? So click insert. And there we go. Our first video on a website. Now, once you have done that, then you have basically completed my tutorial. This part I do not want you to do. I'm just showing you the option, okay? If you look up here, you see that? It says share with others, okay? So I'm going to click on that. You know how we share documents with each other in class, like Google Slides or Google Docs, and we all work on the same document at the same time? Same thing with Google websites. Super cool. If you look down here, just like Google Slides or Google Docs, you can type in your partner's website and you both can work on the same website at the same time. Okay. So that's everything that I got for you. Let me get out of that. Make sure that you rewind or rewatch anything that you didn't understand. And then I want you to create your first Google website, okay? Up here at the top is the publish button. You know, in writing, when we publish something, that means it's ready, it's perfect, it's ready to go out to the public. So if you click publish, and you click it, that means it's ready for the world to see, okay? So now your link is viewable. I have published my website. When you're done, make sure that you publish your website. Again, if you were confused or if you forgot anything, just rewind my video. Watch it as many times as you need. Okay? Thanks.